So ayan guys, magandang araw, November 2. Nandito tayo ngayon sa isang private cemetery sa may San Pedro. At meron din kami dinalaw rito. Siyempre yung parash pa sa amin, yung aming tatay. Ayan na, sobrang nakakagulat lang kasi ganito. First time rin namin makapag stay ng ganito dito. Makapasok ng ganito ng gantong oras, araw. Ganito pala karami, grabe. Ito, this is my bayaw. Hey brother, what is your impression?
I'm very impressed. The family ties that show through this, and the death does not break up a family. Yeah. It brings them together in a lot of ways.
Yeah, every year they celebrate this occasion every November.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, twice in a year, 2 days in a year.
3 days.
So first day yesterday, then the second day today. Maybe tomorrow there were also people.
Yeah, there might be some people that didn't want the crowds to be here tomorrow.
Yeah.
On a weekday. Maybe so.
My bayaw also is amazed. Nagugulat din siya sa ganito karaming tao pala. Hindi katulad daw sa US. How about in US, brother? Is this something like this?
No, well, yes, but not nearly as many people. Maybe not on All Saints Day, but say on Christmas and Easter, the cemeteries have a fair amount of people in them.
Okay.
You know, but not like this.
Not plenty, not huge like this.
No, not huge like this. This is like a rock concert crowd.
Rock concert crowd.
Yeah.
But you can also try to watch the public cemetery out there, but it most crowded in some occasion.
The public cemetery is more crowded than this?
Yeah.
Whoa. Wow.
Over there it's hard to move because it's a small spaces,
smaller space.
Yeah, little space areas and roads. So it's hard to breathe when you were there.
Yeah. I hope you're not claustrophobic.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Ayun guys, ito yung tatay ko. Ano lang nito last 3 weeks ago. Sobra rin naming na-miss kasi di naman sa pag-ano medyo tight din yung ano namin. Yung aming uy, meron pang multo doon. Si Dahlia pala yun. Yun guys. Ikot natin yung ating cam. Hanggang gabi to. Brother, you know these people till tomorrow morning they will stay over here. They were still overnight here. And yeah, even in the middle of the night, people will come. More people are coming here.
Wow.
Yeah.
I was seeing this on the news, another cemetery, a different cemetery.
Yeah.
Northern cemetery. But yeah, I was watching it on the news, but seeing it in person, it's quite different.
Yeah. If the weather is good, people will stay here until tomorrow.
Yeah. The weather's very good right now. It's got a very nice breeze up here today.
Yeah.
Oh, we're up on the hill.
Ayan yung aking imported na bayaw. Medyo talagang natutuwa siyang tingnan yung mga tao na nandito. Sobrang dami nga naman talaga. So yun. Shoutout po sa ating mga tropa. Kahit yung parking, yung area. How about the road outside? Did you feel traffic or what?
Oh yeah, we parked. Well, we got out of the car outside of the cemetery.
Yeah.
We had a long walk to come in because the traffic was stopped.
Okay.
There was just
no way to go.
No way to go. So, you know, they left. They stayed there to try to park the car. But the rest of us, we just walked here.
How about your knee?
Oh.
Is it,
Oh, it's okay.
Still kicking?
Oh yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'm blessed.
Yeah, I'm blessed. Yeah. Ganda pa ng panahon. So, enjoy lang. Kahit na medyo sariwa pa yung pain. So, it feels fresh pain.
Oh no?
Yeah. Because it's a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
3 weeks.
It takes a long time to settle that in.
Yeah, the sorrow is
In a
still.
way, this is too soon.
Yeah. The sorrow is so still in our hearts.
Still fresh.
Yes, still
The
fresh.
wound is still fresh. Let's put it that way.
Yeah.
If this had been maybe 6 months after, then it might have hurt a little bit less.
Hopefully.
But it'll always hurt. Your father was a wonderful man. He was very well loved.
Yeah.
I'm blessed to have gotten to know him before him.
Also, people are also taking time for bonding, for rest from work, or to stay with the family. So there's a lot of benefits having this break or occasion.
Family bonding.
Yeah. But we never experienced like this before because we do not have decay. Our relatives over in a cemetery. So we do not also feel or celebrate like this. This is also our first.
Your first time.
Yeah. So it's also what do you call this? It's also freshman or first timer, neophyte.
Yeah. Neophyte.
Yeah.
Ngayon na bag, sa paper bag, hininda ko na nga yun, malutong yun. Nasa sa upuan, di ba? Sabi ko, sir, baka maiwan to. Hindi pa kasi binitbit. Pinarkingan namin, nandun pa kami. Ngayon, nadala nyo yun.